How to use LinkedIn Learning. Everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how to use LinkedIn Learning. So for that, you must access the platform through a premium subscription or an organizational license, and then you can discover content, take courses, and track your progress as well. Basically, you can access LinkedIn's Learning by purchasing an individual's LinkedIn premium subscriptions or through a license provided by your employer, university, or public library. Now, what next you want to do is just go to LinkedIn Learning login or access it from your LinkedIn's homepage by clicking on the work section or the job section from the list, and you want to go to the icon in the top right and select the learning from the list. So here you just want to go ahead and look for the learning section, then link your learning account to your main LinkedIn profile to get personalized courses, recommendation, and easily add on or adds completed courses and skills to your public profile. And that's how you'll be able to use LinkedIn's Learning. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.